my god guys, look at my web Simoleons and LP. Hello there people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be show you how I got unlimited Simoleons for Sims FreePlay, absolutely free saving online guys, without downloading any mod or anything menu guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called ablob.com, then type in search Sims FreePlay and you will find the online tool. Click there guys and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue guys and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our WIP Simoleons and LP. So I will go with this. So let me click continue guys and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Sims FreePlay, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires, it's your choice. Just click here and free click go and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags guys. I'm wait about 1 minute, nothing happened. So guys, if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the boat check. WIP Simoleons and LP are on the way guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see guys. Oh my god guys, look at my web Simoleons and LP. This hack working amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.